Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your headlights. As you can see, these ones are really cloudy. I've used this method on this headlight and it's came out really well. But yeah, as you can see, that one is really cloudy still. But I'm going to be showing you two methods today. I'm going to do it with my rotary polisher, compound and polish, and then I'm going to be doing it by hand polishing with just two microfiber cloth, the compound and the polish. So, since like you've seen before and afters, I'm going to tape the headlight in half and we're going to have one side that's done and one side that's still yet to be done, and we're going to see the difference. So, the top half is going to be done by hand and the bottom half is going to be done by my rotary polisher. So, I'm just putting a big blobby compound on it and we're going to go for it. I'm going to be doing about 3 passes with the polisher, so let's get into it. Let's do a time lapse. So that's me went over the headlight once with the polisher, and you can already see a difference in the colour. Right, let's get into the second go. So as you can see, I'm just going up and down and across, yeah, just repeating that every time. You can see the difference in the headlight on the bottom compared to the top as I peel that tape off. The top is much more cloudy and the bottom is much clearer. Yeah, now we're going with the hand polishing method and we're going to see how well that works. So we're just going in circular motions with microfiber cloth and we're just going to go for a few passes over the headlight and we'll see the results. So that headlight looks so much better after just going over it twice, but we're going to go over it a couple more times and we'll see what it looks like after. So you can see some parts of cloudiness on the bottom of the headlight. That's just inside of the headlight and I can't get into there. So we're going over the headlight for the last time. I've brought the camera closer just so you can see it better. So that was the final going over of the headlight with the compound and that's looking so much clearer now. So we're just going to go over it with a bit of polish. So I've just put the polish on another microfiber cloth. I should have been doing this with my little applicator pads, but they were in the wash so I couldn't use them. But we're just going in circular motions again and we'll see the results. that is the headlight done. Now let's look at these results.
Maybe you should take it slow.
Results are so good, and remember, you can just do these in your driveway at your house. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, please give it a like, and even if you just enjoyed it, please give it a like as well. If you're new, subscribe, and give me some comments down below on video ideas or what you want to see in the future. Bye.